Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product. If you want to upgrade your home gym without the clutter, finding the right gear is key. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best adjustable kettlebell options on the market to help you build strength efficiently. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Cisleb adjustable kettlebell. The Cisleb adjustable kettlebell combines 3 useful weight options in one compact design, so your strength workouts can stay flexible without filling your space with extra equipment. It is made to suit different workout levels, giving you an easy way to change the resistance as your training needs change. Adjusting the weight is quick and simple. Press down the spring clasp, then give the handle a counterclockwise twist. In just a moment, you can switch between 12 pounds, 8 pounds, and 5 pounds. The lighter setting can feel more comfortable for controlled movements or longer sessions, while the heavier options add more challenge when you want to build strength. Since the adjustment does not require separate tools or loose weight plates, you can move from one exercise to the next with less interruption. The handle is another important part of the Cisleb design. Its ergonomic shape provides a firm and comfortable grip, helping the kettlebell feel secure in your hands during movement. The handle is also wide enough for a two-handed hold, which makes it useful for exercises that need extra stability and control. You can choose a single hand grip or use both hands, depending on the exercise and the level of support you prefer. This adjustable kettlebell also saves a great deal of space. A complete set of kettlebells can quickly clutter a home gym, living room, or storage area. Instead of keeping several separate weights around, the Cisleb adjustable kettlebell gives you 3 resistance choices in one unit. It can be stored neatly in a corner, closet, or cabinet when your workout is finished. Portability makes it even more convenient. Taking one adjustable kettlebell to the park is much easier than carrying a collection of separate weights. You can bring several workout options with you without filling your car or carrying heavy equipment back and forth. With its quick adjustment system, comfortable handle, space-saving build, and portable design, the Cisleb adjustable kettlebell keeps strength training simple and practical wherever you exercise. Next up, at number 4, we have the Kdmurnvs adjustable kettlebell. The Kdmurnvs adjustable kettlebell offers incredible 2-in-1 versatility, allowing you to easily switch between a kettlebell and a dumbbell to fit all your workout needs. Instead of cluttering your space with multiple weights, this design gives you everything you need. The set comes with a 15-pound main body, a handle, and 6 interchangeable weight plates. As a kettlebell, you get a weight range from 15 to 45 pounds. If you attach the handle to use it as a dumbbell, the weight adjusts from about 6 to 31 pounds. You can even hold the individual plates independently for targeted isolation exercises. This makes the system perfect for beginner toning, intermediate routines, and intense strength building. Safety is incredibly important during heavy movements, and Kdmurnvs handles this beautifully with a reinforced security lock. This smart system holds every weight plate firmly in place. You never have to worry about the plates slipping while you exercise. Changing your resistance is extremely quick and hassle-free. Simply unlock the mechanism, adjust the plates to your desired level, and lock it back up in seconds. You do not need any extra tools. This means you can keep your heart rate up and transition smoothly between exercises. Working out at home often means worrying about your floors, but this set takes that stress away. It features a premium TPR rubber surface that is completely floor-friendly. You can set it down without scratching your wood or tile surfaces. Because of its highly compact design, it is ideal for apartments, small home gyms, and even outdoor spaces. It takes up far less room than ordinary fixed-weight sets, helping you keep your training area neat. This fitness gear delivers a complete full-body workout for most fitness levels. It targets your core, glutes, arms, shoulders, and back effectively. You can use it for explosive kettlebell swings, heavy squats, deadlifts, presses, and back rows. By transitioning smoothly from compound lifts to isolation workouts, the Kdmurnvs adjustable kettlebell perfectly adapts to your personal fitness journey. Taking the 3rd spot is the Hezeyferg adjustable kettlebell. The Hezeyferg adjustable kettlebell maximizes your home workouts by seamlessly transforming between 2 training tools. Its 2-in-1 versatility is truly special. The removable handle easily connects to the weight plates to create a dedicated dumbbell mode. This gives you flexible workout options in one highly compact design. letting you switch routines fast. To build strength, this unit allows you to customize your training intensity to match your goals. It features a solid 15-pound base and 6 interchangeable weight plates. In the standard kettlebell mode, you can adjust the weight anywhere from 15 to 45 pounds. This range ensures you always have enough heavy resistance to challenge your muscles. When you switch over to the dumbbell mode, the system becomes even more adaptable. This smart configuration supports 7 different weight combinations for versatile strength training. Whether you are just starting out with lighter loads or pushing for personal records, this equipment adjusts perfectly to fit your exact needs without buying extra gear. Changing your resistance is secure and time-saving. The Hezeyferg adjustable kettlebell uses an intuitive dual push-button lock system directly on the plates. You never need extra tools to adjust your weight, just press the buttons and move the plates. The reinforced locking mechanism ensures everything stays tightly in place during intense, fast movements. Comfort is a huge priority with this gear. It features an extra-wide textured handle that provides a fantastic anti-slip grip, keeping you comfortable even when your hands get sweaty. Because you get multiple combinations in a single unit, it is a massive space saver. You avoid having an entire rack of fixed weights cluttering up your small apartment room. This single piece of equipment delivers a full-body workout without requiring a large home gym. It allows you to effectively target your arms, core, and legs through dynamic movements. From explosive swings and heavy squats to bent-over rows, it provides exactly what you need. The Hezeyferg adjustable kettlebell helps you crush your fitness goals at home. Coming in at number 2 is the Byzoom Fitness adjustable kettlebell. The Byzoom Fitness adjustable kettlebell changes how you work out at home by replacing 5 individual weights with one sleek unit. Instead of filling your living space with heavy equipment, this 5-in-1 space-saving design provides exactly what you need. Available in 30, 40, and 50-pound capacities, it offers rapid weight progression. You can level up your explosive swings, heavy squats, and snatches without adding any extra clutter to your room or home gym setup. When you are in the middle of a tough workout, you do not want a complicated adjustment process. This model features a patented weight change system that lets you switch weights in just seconds. The seamless locking mechanism is designed for high-intensity transitions. It keeps your heart rate up while your setup time stays low, letting you move smoothly from one exercise to the next with absolutely no frustrating delays. A common issue with traditional designs is the discomfort they cause on your arms, but Byzoom Fitness solves this beautifully. It features a unique ergonomic curved surface engineered to contour directly to the shape of your arm. This smart design provides a smooth and pain-free contact point during heavy cleans and overhead presses. You never have to worry about forearm bruising, allowing you to focus entirely on your form. During explosive movements, you need equipment that feels incredibly solid. This adjustable kettlebell uses precision-engineered plates that remain silent and perfectly secure while you train. There is no annoying rattling or shifting as you swing. It also features a flat and stable base. This provides a wobble-free foundation for floor exercises like renegade rows and push-ups. Plus, it makes storage completely organized. Beyond pure performance, this gear is designed with a modern aesthetic that looks amazing. Choose a glacier white finish to match your home decor, or a classic black option for a professional gym vibe. It is a rare piece of gear that you will never want to hide. The Byzoom Fitness adjustable kettlebell brings convenience to your daily routine, giving you the tools to build real strength without taking over your space. And finally, our top pick, the BowFlex adjustable kettlebell. The BowFlex adjustable kettlebell changes how you approach strength training at home by offering incredible versatility. With the simple turn of a dial, you can easily adjust the resistance from 8 up to 40 pounds. This smart mechanism lets you rapidly switch from one exercise to the next without missing a beat. It keeps your heart rate up and your muscles engaged, meaning you never have to pause your routine to mess with complicated locks or heavy plates. One of the biggest benefits of this BowFlex model is how incredibly space-efficient it is. Instead of buying a massive set of separate weights that take over your floor, this single unit replaces up to 6 different kettlebells. It seamlessly shifts between 8, 12, 20, 25, 35, and 40 pounds. This space-saving design ensures you can get a high-quality workout from nearly any room in your house, from a small apartment to a dedicated garage setup. Because it offers such a wide weight range, you can perform a huge variety of full-body exercises. The lighter weights are fantastic for warming up or doing high-repetition twisting motions to target your core. As you move to larger muscle groups, you can easily click up to the heavier settings. This makes the BowFlex adjustable kettlebell perfect for powerful swings, heavy squats, bent-over rows, and dynamic total body movements, all with exactly the right amount of resistance. To help you get the most out of your gear, this equipment comes with a 2-month free trial to the JRNY All Access membership. This mobile-only membership is an amazing tool to keep you motivated. You can work out comfortably at home or take your routine on the go. The application provides inspiring trainers and adaptive workouts tailored just for you, right from your phone or tablet. It takes the guesswork completely out of your daily exercise plan. Combining this digital guidance with physical hardware makes reaching your fitness goals much easier. You get all the resistance you need packed into a compact shell. The BowFlex adjustable kettlebell guarantees your training sessions remain fast, effective, and completely clutter-free. Outro. Take your home workouts to the next level today. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite kettlebell from the list. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome reviews. See you next time.